Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I decided to do my twins' hygiene routine without water. This is crazy, I know, but this is the norm this whole, I know, past couple of weeks, and people that have toddlers like I do probably are questioning how are they taking baths, and the girls are doing the same thing, but you know, it's easier for me to do the twins and record it than the girls. So right now I'm about to show you guys everything that I'm using and what we're using to keep your skin nice and hydrated, you know, given the fact that we are going through this right now. So I'm about to show you everything. Alright guys, so this is basically everything that I use whenever I'm getting the twins ready, and this no rinse wash and shampoo is amazing. We all have been using it. I've always talked about it in my older videos, but I've always got baby magic. Also, Marseille's butters have also been amazing for my kids because they have really dry skin, you guys. I have a code if you're interested in purchasing any of her butters. All you have to use is MyJazzyLife for 10% off, and you'll get an order of her butters as well. All of the information for that will be down below in the description.
Hi guys.
Arms up.
Hi guys.
Don't touch it.
Hi mom. Look, see, let's start this.
Come on, Ava. The water doesn't work. So after I normally get the twins ready, I go ahead and get the girls ready, but I don't show that in this video. If you want to see me getting the girls ready, let me know in the comments down below and I will film that video for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. And if you are new, welcome to our family.
Bye guys. Bye guys.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.